everybody, welcome back to Our Family Pantry. And today we're going to show you how to make our family's Hashbrown Casserole. Then some of the ingredients that you'll need for it are sour cream, Frosted Flakes, butter, cream of celery soup, shredded cheese, bacon, and 2 bags of hash browns. And so why don't you come a little closer, I'll show you how to make it. Okay, we're going to begin by adding our cream of celery soup. Just add it into the bowl here.
Now you could use cream of chicken soup, but I had kind of a food poisoning thing with cream of chicken, and so I just can't get past that. And so I only buy cream of celery soup now. Occasionally I'll use cream of mushroom soup in some things, like in our green bean casserole, but cream of chicken soup is out for me.
Yep, I'm just gonna mix the cream of celery soup and also the melted butter in with each other. I'll mix it in. Make sure it blends well. Okay. Now, I'm going to add my sour cream. So I'm going to fold it in there.
I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit of black pepper. If you have white pepper, you could do that, and then you won't see the pepper flakes. But it doesn't matter to us, it's all flavor.
Yep.
And then we're going to put in our chopped up bacon.
You can't go wrong with bacon.
What is it that you say? Bacon makes everything better?
Yep. Love bacon.
And then we'll just kind of gradually dump in our shredded cheese. Now this is a Colbyjack, but you can put, jack cheese, cheddar cheese, kind of whatever combination you like. The only one that I probably wouldn't would be Parmesan. You could do a pepper jack.
You can do pepper jack. Give it a little kick.
A little kick, that would be nice. We like to try to stay traditional when we make our traditional holiday dishes, because our kids, they love traditions and they love things that are just authentic in the way that they're always used to, huh?
It's true. I don't like much change.
Okay, now we're just gonna add our hash browns, and these are frozen, of course. And this makes a big dish, and so feel free to half the recipe.
Yeah, you can have the recipe, but this is one of the dishes that our family loves, and so this will definitely be one of the dishes that will be gone first.
For sure.
Just want to make sure that everything. We just want to make sure everything is all mixed in well.
I'm just gonna put some cooking spray in our casserole dish. This is a 9x13 pan, but it's quite deep. They call it a 4-quart casserole dish, so it's just quite a bit deeper than our regular one that we did our sweet potato casserole in. And we're gonna need that depth, aren't we?
We will.
All right, he's got everything mixed in, and we're just gonna get this turned out into the casserole. You did a good job mixing everything in.
Oh, thank you.
Gotta get every last bit in. We don't want to waste anything.
Okay.
And we'll just spread this out, and we'll show you how we assembled the Frosted Flakes right here. So this is the size you want, kind of like, I don't know, a Rice Krispie or something like that, a puffed crispy rice. So that's consistency. And then don't be afraid of all of this. That is gonna be just your sugar that dropped to the bottom from crushing them. So we are ready for our melted butter. Moist, but not too wet. We want to make a nice level surface so we can have our corn flakes on there. Now, if you're saying to yourself, I don't know about corn flakes or frosted flakes, let me tell you, I was with you the first time. But when we were in college, we were supposed to put corn flakes on it in the recipe, and we had accidentally bought corn or frosted flakes, and some friends had done the same thing, and frosted flakes really level it up. It's kind of that sweet and savory, sweet and salty.
Yeah. It's really good. You get the best of both worlds. You get that sweetness, you get that savory, and especially the
it's
mixture
just a little
of the,
hint too.
right.
It's not too much.
Right. And that mixture of the bacon in there, oh,
Yeah.
you'll love it. Make sure every spot has the frosted flakes.
All right, we're ready to go in the oven uncovered for an hour. And there you have it. There's our Hashbrown Casserole. It is delicious, it's heavenly. We always make the full batch because we all love it. We could eat it probably breakfast, lunch, and dinner, no shame.
For real.
No shame in that. It's delicious, we love it, and we hope you try it. A couple of different versions that you could do. You could put just just corn flakes if you don't like frosted flakes. You could add some green onions or some sauteed onion. You know, just make it your own, make it for you and your family and for what you guys enjoy. But this version is what our kids love and we love, and we wish you a happy holidays, and we thank you for joining us.
We'll see you soon.